ओह न्यूज़ एनालिस्ट, चलना जाना है।
कहाँ जाना है?
टाइम्स फूड अवार्ड्स, खाना मिलेगा, चल। ड्राइविंग पे इतना गरूर।
गरूर तो कुछ नहीं होता है।
गुरूर,
गरूर क्या होता है यार?
गुरूर।
I should have married this guy, but I married that.
You know what is common between awards and the food show?
बोलो, what is common?
It's a nice gym. Sorry, I got distracted.
You were checking the girl out in the gym wear. It's a nice gym क्या होता है? I saw the girl.
So नहीं बोलना चाहिए।
नहीं देखना चाहिए।
Please,
फिर आप
viewers.
फोन मत तोड़ देना। We can't afford a new phone. I'm not joking.
Mushu, can you tell your mother to stop watching TV and let's go? We have an award show to go to. Oh, news analyst, चलना जाना है।
ये बंद नहीं होने वाला है।
अरे तुम आके न्यूज़ देख लेना, चलो।
क्या? कहाँ जाना है?
अरे चलना, पवई जाना है। We'll take 1 hour to reach. चलो।
क्यों जाना है पवई? वॉर चल रही है यार।
चल, I have to come on. Times Food Awards, खाना मिलेगा, चलो।
Marriage is a lot about waiting because चलो तैयार हो मैं तैयार हूँ।
I gave you the bathroom first to get ready.
कौन से रिलेशनशिप में बीवी पहले तैयार होती है?
तुम्हें तो
बीवियाँ बदनाम है कि they get late, but in this relationship guys I am ready.
Because I made you ready. I pushed you into the bathroom.
I think you need to push yourself a little more than you push me. There's another thing common between the war and our relationship.
What is that?
The wait. सिर्फ अपनी लाइट ऑन करिए।
अच्छा।
फाइनली हम निकले हैं और आइडिया था कि जब डे लाइट होगी तब शूट करेंगे, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली हम लेट हो गए थैंक्स टू विराग। तो अब हम शूट कर रहे हैं अंधेरे में।
It's actually very romantic light. It's the way to see it. Look at it. Look at it. कितना खराब ड्राइविंग करती है। ड्राइविंग पे इतना गरूर।
गरूर तो कुछ नहीं होता है।
गुरूर,
गरूर क्या होता है यार?
गुरूर।
I want to.
Anyway, we are going to the awards finally.
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना।
हाँ, बोलो।
मैप कहाँ गया?
ये चल रहा है।
ओह देखा तो मैप कहाँ चल रहा है। It's funny. बट मेरा आप सीरियसली बता कि अगर लॉकडाउन हो गया तो हम क्या करेंगे इस बार? लास्ट टाइम सिर्फ मैं और तू थे तो इट वाज मैनेजेबल, बट नाउ
Oh yeah,
वेरूजे है, वेरूजे की नैनी है जिसकी सैलरी देनी है। कैसे नेविगेट करेंगे यार?
ये है ना YouTube चैनल. This is the financial safety.
तो इस चैनल पे तुझे क्या क्या करना है?
Basically, we'll do anything you all want us to do.
नहीं, we are not going to do anything they want us to do. Not anything.
I'm not going the only fans route or something.
तुम्हें कैसे पता? वो बोलेंगे oh anything, then you don't know.
As long as we have a financial safety net during the lockdown in tough times.
मैं कह रही हूँ VPN ले ले, उनकी फैंस ही बन लेने। Do you think this is World War 3?
हाँ, I love the whole.
You love
World War 3
Can you
coinage
please
because
be
ऐसा लगता है कि
very
अरे
careful of what you're saying? You
हमारे-
love, people will think you love the
No,
war.
it makes us feel like we generationally will own it and we'll tell that say हमने World War 3 देखा, हमने pandemic देखा.
That is so stupid. Why would you be excited to tell Veruze something?
It's like a badge
that?
we'll wear as a generation, you know.
Bygone.
You know what is common between the awards and the food show? Food award. I mean, food awards and the war.
बोलो. What is common?
It's a nice gym. Sorry, I got distracted.
You were checking the girl out in the gym wear. It's a nice gym क्या होता है? I saw the girl.
Sorry, I got distracted.
तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
नहीं देखना चाहिए।
The camera also doesn't agree with Saruni's
फिर आप
views.
फोन मत तोड़ देना. We can't afford a new phone. I'm not joking.
What is common between the war and these awards? Times Food Awards.
What?
लोग बोलते हैं कि ये वॉर इजराइल और ईरान और यूएसए का है, पर सब लोग उसमें फंस गए हैं। ये फूड अवार्ड्स भी ऐसा ही कुछ है। ना मैं शेफ हूँ, ना मैं ना मैं खाना बनाता हूँ, ना मैं फूड क्रिटिक हूँ, पर उनको चाहिए कि कोई एक्टर्स एंड क्रिएटर्स कम एंड गिव एन अवार्ड. बस
I have a better commonality.
there was that what's that line यार, अब्दुल्ला की शादी में बेगाना नाचे.
I have a better commonality between the award and the award.
बताओ बताओ.
Award.
अच्छा, tell me.
Award. Did you get it?
Award, like the word
War and
award.
award.
Slow clap, Saloni Patel.
हम almost आ गए हैं.
Yeah. कॉलर ठीक करो.
दिखाओ इधर वाइफ का धर्म निभाते हुए. I should have married this guy, but I married that. Okay, so he's walking around like he knows everything about food awards. कोई लेना देना नहीं है फूड से, but coming.
I don't like this. You sitting behind and me sitting in front. Please come and sit with me.
क्या अजीब सा लग रहा है.
अवार्ड्स चल रहे हैं, हम लोग यहाँ शूट कर रहे हैं.
Viraf is going on stage to give food award. जिसको डिमसम और मोमो के बीच में डिफरेंस नहीं पता, वो फूड अवार्ड दे रहा है गाइस. A Parsi giving vegetarian food award is the funniest thing I've seen today. He only eats non-veg. How does it feel to give an award to the best vegetarian restaurant?
It's so poetic, like the guy who loves knowledge has to give the nature's sign.
But this is, if the award happens, I can eat vegetarian food because non-veg takes longer to cook. Can you?
I will have to.
गाइस यहाँ इतना खाना है, लग नहीं रहा कि कोई गैस वैस की कमी है. Almond and truffle. Oh, yeah.
Someone's having a nice time.
There's so much more food to eat. Come. I just want to show you that I was the one hungry, but खा लो वॉर हो जाएगी तो मिलेगा नहीं.
Yeah, better eat up.
अभी इतना सारा खाना खा के हम घर जा रहे हैं और आगे इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी है. What do you want to tell our audience how to deal with this uncertainty?
गाड़ी में मैं सब बताता हूँ. Nothing you can do. It's like just show up, take one day at a time, and it's not your war.
Baba Patel has spoken.
Yes, that's what Baba Patel says. So just show up. बताओ ना कैसे लगा.
यार फन था, बहुत अच्छा था फूड अवार्ड, बहुत खाना खाया, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है मुझे that we are celebrating and किसी और part of the world में somebody is fighting a war and people are like worried and
तो क्या करोगे? Stop living.
नहीं, I don't think you can stop living. But ऐसे what to do?
Nothing. Just clean up and show up. मतलब आ जाओ, अपना करो छोटा मोटा और निकल जाओ. वैसे भी तुम्हारा टाइम भी लिमिटेड है यहाँ पे. What is it? What's the rosier way to say this? Just show up and
Do your thing.
do your thing and go. Israel, I personally believe even Israel and USA and Iran don't know what's going to happen tomorrow between both of them. It's like when a couple is fighting. Even the couple doesn't know how the fight is going to pan out. Right? It's like when I'm scolding you, you don't know what my next move is going
The
to be.
fact that you said you scold me
It's so...
shows our relationship.
That was the idea.
The
idea
who
was
do you
to-
think you are to scold me? Huh?
Wait, we'll come back to the war. It's not about us. Everything is not about us in this. But yeah, the idea is that live one day at a time. Go hug your baby, eat good food. Because
Show up यार. वैसे honestly you're right because actually देखा जाए तो war or no war, it is one day at a time. If you just live by the one day at a time policy,
one day at a time. Let your
हाँ.
wife do what she wants to do one
it
day.
really makes life easy. आसान हो जाती है भाई.
Because even if you
Worries
die
and-
tomorrow, at least you ate well.
Nice. Okay, bye. Good night, guys. See you next episode.
Pakistani Foreign Minister gave an
बड़ा
update.
आया. Take
First
one
day
day at a time. Don't watch the news. Don't make yourself anxious, guys. I have to show you this. This is the news, and who's watching it? Who has the remote?
discuss the possible ways to bring an early
यार क्या हो
And I'm not watching it. I'm reading the book.
क्या हो रहा है? Seriously.
शर्म आती है कि नहीं?
Yeah, but the number of people being
Oh my
displaced
god, I
and
can't take
it's
this.
not,
I'm not. Good night.
it's not correct, yeah.
Good night.